Welcome to episode 1 of Fayetteville Firehouse Factoids, part 1 of what we hope is a weekly series from P&R as it pertains to Firehouse, ISO, and accreditation. This week's topic, we're going to talk a little bit about the custom icons within Firehouse and a data dashboard we've been working on for the department. So most of you are probably familiar with these icons being across the top part of your browser in Firehouse. We've moved all of our custom icons that we've created within our department on the left hand side now. You can see we've added 2 new queries, missing QC, missing BC. Just like any other query in Firehouse, once you click on this custom icon, it automatically knows what query you're looking for. You put in your alarm date, and we'll just go October 1 through October 7 here. Now, shift is not required. If you do not put in a shift, it will retrieve all shifts for you. But if you do want to include a shift, you can either type it in or hit this box for the lookup table, hit run query, and then you can see what's outstanding. If you wish to export this out of Firehouse, common question we get, we run a query and we want to be able to get this out of Firehouse. You go here to this print icon, you go down to other file type, select the drop down box, spreadsheet, Excel compatible, and then you're going to click this file box here. Now you're going to tell it where you want the file to be stored. By default, it may come up under D data. Go down and select M client C, and then from there you're going to go to users. You're going to find however you logged in on that computer. So for me, on this particular computer, of course, I log in as Jay Hathcock. And where do I want to put it? If I want it on my desktop, I simply name the file, hit save, and it will export that Excel file out to my desktop. Okay, same thing, missing QC. Let's put in an alarm date here. Let's go back October 1 through October 31. No shift, run query, and there you go. Number of incidents missing a QC. Okay, next we want to talk to you a little bit about a data dashboard we've been working on in P&R for live performance. We have a 55-inch monitor, and this is what we look at each day. As your incidents drop into Firehouse, it automatically updates everything you see here. What you see on the right is a heat index. It's a scale from a dark shade of green to a really bright shade of red that basically tells us how well we're performing for the day. Our first arriving unit total response time mark is 8 minutes. Any incident that drops in that's above this mark, typically we'll go in Firehouse and just take a look at it. You can see here the travel time for this incident, 5 minutes 21 seconds. Turnout was 38 seconds, and then that call processing was 149. So as these incidents drop in Firehouse, this automatically updates for us each day. To give you an idea of what a full day looks like, here's a screenshot. We had 94 incidents that day. You can see the heat index on the right. You can see all the unit totals based on calls, and then this is what the graph looks like on the bottom. Now, some of these incidents you may have went back and coded in Firehouse as emergency traffic, or there may have been some errors with these times that you fixed if we didn't catch them on the DCR. So just to show you a little bit about data dashboards, kind of what we're working on here in P&R. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to us. We'd like to bring this series to you once a week, every week. And in the words of retired Battalion Chief Iverson, continue to do good things. Thank you.